It was probably very expected, but we have the actual official announcement that that guy right there, Julien Beaumer, after his really bad crash, will be missing Redbud, with Ian Harrison, the Red Bull KTM factory team manager, saying, quote, "It was so unfortunate to see Julien crash in the opening lap of Moto2 at Southwick after showing strides at High Point with a sixth overall." And this is the crash right there, which bad enough by himself and then getting hit. But he continued to say, "Julian's health is our first priority, and it is a positive that he did not sustain further injury. After receiving further evaluations this week, he was sent out Redbud, and we will diligently follow concussion protocol until cleared to race. We eagerly anticipate his full recovery and return to racing at 100%. And this is not a surprise, obviously, when you have that kind of head injury or any head injury in general. Most people are going to miss the next week, whether you're fine, nothing else worked, or nothing else happened. It's just the day and age of things where head injuries and concussion protocols and all that kind of stuff is very seriously taken, and as it should be. And especially for someone like him in his rookie year, you never want to see him take the risk. Hey, I feel okay, and then you get a little dizzy on some jump and launch yourself off into a tree or something. You never want to see it. So, as it is his rookie year, he's not in the title contention. It's probably fine. He's showed good speed this year. He's been competitive. So, he's showing everything he needs to. There's no point in risking any future injury or anything like that. Just take the week off, heal up completely, be ready for the next round, and just be safe about it. And personally, I think this is great. It's better than taking the, I don't know, less less healthy route. I don't know, however you want to say it, but I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to Redbud? Obviously, it is like one of the bigger races. The big fanfare race and everything. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Does D win the 250s? Who wins the 450s now with Chase Sexton? Or not with Chase Sexton, with Jet Lawrence out? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.